welcome to my second vlog. Today, me, my boyfriend Danny, and my friend Ellen are going to an elephant sanctuary here in Koh Samui, and I'm going to take you with us. Let's go! Good morning! When we arrived at Koh Samui, I immediately heard about multiple elephant sanctuaries on the island. But to be honest, our previous experience with such was quite sad. Any organization with elephants could call themselves a sanctuary, and even an ethical one. For both me and Danny, ethical animal care is an important aspect, and we were quite happy to see that Elephant Heaven Sanctuary at Koh Samui had amazing reviews, 5-star rating, and no activities like elephant riding or washing. When we arrived at the sanctuary, we were straight away greeted by 6 elephants who looked very happy and curious about us. In this sanctuary, they mainly save elephants from 3 different places: circuses, petting zoos, and money begging. And in order to save the elephant, the team has to negotiate with the current owner and buy the animal from him. The ticket price was 2,700 baht, which is around 70 euros. Quite expensive, but in my opinion, it was totally worth it. Our tour started with a short introduction and instruction on how to behave with the animals. That was very cute with some nice animations, and then we were allowed to feed the giants and to say hi to them.
This moment, can you tell me which elephant grandma is? You have only one time to answer. Try your best. 6 elephant, which one can be grandma? The second one. Anyone else? Okay, first, second. Okay. That's right. The second one is our grandma. Grandma eyesight is not good. She cannot see very well. Young elephants, when we hold the food in front of them, they can example, they can grab directly. Okay, they can see very well. But grandma cannot see very well. Most of the time, she likes searching her food with her trunk, scanning. So we have to put the food directly at her trunk. When she feels, she grabs. And furthermore, while eating, leaving her trunk to get the food from your hand. A lot of saliva or water coming out from her trunk. Or she might give you some around here. Elephant saliva or water. So get prepared, especially the white shirt slider. You can see grandma's saliva clearly. But anyway, don't worry. To my experience, elephant saliva doesn't cause any allergies. Believe me, I am experienced every day. And see what we have here. Watermelon and banana. Only elephant snack, not the main food. How to be a professional feeder? Anyone here left-handed person? Okay, so all people right-handed person, including myself. So our left hand, we grab elephant snack here. No matter banana or watermelon. As many as we can. One is not enough. We are going to cook supplementary food for elephants, especially old elephant like our auntie and grandma.
As one of the activities, we were taught how to prepare food for elderly elephants who do not have very good teeth. These bowls were filled with supplements and all the necessary nutrition. Interesting fact, elephants spend around 80% of their days eating, so they really enjoyed the food and we really enjoyed feeding them. As you will see, some of the elephants are held separately in their dedicated paddocks, which is mainly because they were previously abused and they are not ready to socialize with the others. These elephants are allowed to go out only in the evenings when other elephants are hiding in their pens.
And elephant in our car.
Overall, our experience at Samui Elephant Heaven was amazing with so much love and positive emotions. Elephants are very kind and empathic animals. If you treat them with kindness and love, they are willing to give back. So I highly recommend to support their organizations like this one because they are doing an amazing job. Thank you for watching and see you in the next vlog.